I got this car rear view camera with a monitor sent to me to test it out and review. So let's take it out of the box and see what it comes with. All right, so this is what comes in the box. You've got a mount for this monitor right here. So it comes with a monitor and a mount to mount it like on your windshield, let's say. It comes with the extension cables that you would need to run this from the back of your vehicle or the front if you're wanting to use this as a front camera, all the way to the inside of your vehicle for your monitor. Then you have the actual camera that mounts on the license plate bracket, or again, you can mount it wherever you really wanted to, but it's somewhat laid out to mount on a bracket for a license plate because you can see the screws there. It's got a camera here and a very stiff adjustment, hopefully meaning that once you adjust it, it's not going to turn or go anywhere else. Then it has a 12-volt accessories plug that you can plug in and run this, or if you have the ability to get into your fuse box, or if you know how to do the wiring, it also comes with a plug where you can hardwire this right into your vehicle. Of course, it's got instructions, and then it also has 2 wire splitters here. But that's everything that's in the box. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed. This is the monitor for the backup camera, and as you can see, I'm parked right now in a little carport that we have, and you can see behind me our RV, my truck. It's got very good detail for just a backup camera. This truck's kind of dirty, but if you look at this, you can just press this button on the 12-volt accessory port. So this, you just press it to turn it on and press it to turn it off. And you can see here when I press it to turn it off, it just turns the whole system off. And then when I press it to turn it on, it takes a second, but it comes right back on. So if you're not going to do something like, let's say, wiring it into your reverse lights, you can at least have a quick access to a button that lets you turn it on and off. Me, I plan on leaving it on all the time, mainly because this is a farm truck and I'm always needing to see around me. I'm actually going to get another one of these kits and install it on the front of the truck so I can have a constant monitor watching the front of the truck and a constant monitor watching the back of the truck. So to me, that's going to be very helpful. Wiring this up for me was very easy. I just ran the wire underneath the truck and punched it through the firewall. We already have an opening in the firewall already, so I was able to just slide the wire through there, and then I have the wire running all the way back to where the back bumper is going to be. So let me go show you that real quick. So right now I'm still waiting on my fabricated bumper that's going to be put on this truck. So I have everything just kind of wrapped up waiting to be put on it. So what I did is I put this camera back here and just kind of put some quick wire around it to hold it to where I want to be. So that way I could get the wires ran and everything and be ready for when I put my new bumper on. But this wire that it comes with, I think it said it was 26 feet long, ended up being more than adequate to get all the way down the back of my truck. And this is a medium duty truck, or some people would call a semi. This is a big truck. And I was able to run it all the way through underneath the cab, up the firewall, under the hood, and into the vehicle. So 26 feet actually goes a really long way when you're just talking about a backup camera. So as soon as I get my rear bumper in, I'm going to get this mounted in. So yeah, this thing is great. I love the definition of the camera. Like I said, even for a small monitor, as you saw a little bit earlier, it had a really good picture and it showed everything with very good definition. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. It really helps us out. Thank y'all very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.